Good morning, students. Yeah, the chapter is exponents and powers. Did you learn those formulas? What is the formula for a power m into a power n? Very good. A power m plus n. What is the formula for a power m by a power n? Yeah, first condition, m greater than n. A power m minus n. Second condition, m less than n. 1 by a power n minus m. Third condition, m is equal to n. So 1. Very good and very good. So I said you the examples also yesterday based on the two laws. Today we are going to see the remaining laws. The third law what we see here is a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So having two powers we may have a small confusion here, isn't it? So better to prove this one I take let a power m is equal to b. So what do you write? A power m whole power n is equals to, in the place of a power m you write b. So b power n. What do you mean b power n? Yes, very good. b into so on n times. Isn't it? Very good. Now what is b? Nothing but a power m. So you write a power m into a power m into a power m so on n times. Okay. So what does this mean, a power m? So a into so on m times into tell me, a into so on m times into so on you write n times. Isn't it? You have two m's. So I take m a's and next m a's. So how many a's I have? M plus m, 2m a's. Similarly, if I write one more m, 3m a's. So similarly, if I go for n times, I have 3m. So 1m, 2m, 3m. So you have n times. So nm. So you write it as a into so on nm times. nm times. Okay, 1m, 2m, 3m, so on. This is for n times. So you have nm times. So this can be written as a into so on mn times. Nm or mn same. nm times. So you can add this one as a power mn. Is that clear? So a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn, or you can add it as a power m into n. Now basing this one, if you use an example for this one, so I give you 3 square whole power 4. Not necessary to expand. This is just how the formula has been framed. You no need to frame the formula again. You just use the formula. Let's use the formula. So you can write the formula here, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Now on comparison, tell me what is a? What is a here? 3. Very good. 3. What is m? 2. Very good. 2 into what is n? 4. So you get 3 power 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now we come to the second example, minus 2 whole to the power of 5 whole to the power of 4. What is the formula now? You write the formula again, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. Okay guys, right, very good. So you come here, what is a here? What is a? Minus 2, very good, minus 2. What is m? 5 into what is n? 4. So 4 5s are 20. So minus 2 whole power 20. As 20 is even number, this minus becomes plus. So 2 power 20. Okay, Nana? This is about the third formula what we have here. Right. Next we go to the fourth formula. What is the fourth formula? Right. Fourth formula is a power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1. How do you get a power 0 is equal to 1? Observe carefully, Nana. Coming to this proof, we know that a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Isn't it? Now if I take the case m is equal to n. Yes, you remember the three cases, m greater than n, m less than n and m is equal to n. In this case, I am going to substitute the values a power m by a power m. In the place of n, I have put m is equal to a power m minus m. So both of them are equal. So you can cancel them and get 1 is equal to 1 is equal to m minus m is equal to 0, a power 0. So that implies a to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. So but here you must see one thing, that your value for a must not be equal to 0. Okay, a should not be equal to 0. Is it clear everybody? Right. And why? Because if a is 0, then 0 power 0 is called as indeterminate. Indeterminate, because 0 power any number you will get 0, isn't it? 0 power 3, 0 power 4, any value you will get 0. And now you have got any number to the power 0 is 1. So that means as you are having two zeros here, should you have to place 0 or you have to place 1? What answer? You cannot determine the answer. Hence these are called as indeterminate values. Okay, Nana? Right. Now basing this law, so this is used as a formula, that's all. Okay, right, very good. Using the same law, we go to another one, that is fifth law. The fifth law is a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. A power minus n is equal to 1 by a power. Now coming to the answer, we know that a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. The same formula I have taken here. Now in this case, I take m is equal to 0. Let m is equal to 0. Now substitute 0 here. A to the power of 0 by a power n is equal to a to the power of 0 minus n. A to the power of 0 just now we have proved, that is equal to 1. Yes, very good. 1 by a power n is equal to 0 minus n is nothing but minus n, a power minus n. So what you get here implies a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. Did you understand? Very good. These two laws. Now basing these two laws, we apply some of the examples. We take some of the examples. 3 power 5 into 3 power minus 5. What do you do? This is a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So 3 power 5 plus of minus 5. So 3 power 5 minus 5 is equal to 3 power 0, and 3 power 0 is always equal to 1. Okay, Nana? Right? Very good. Now you can apply, see here 6 power minus 3. What is the value of 6 power minus 3? Using this formula, 1 by 6 power 3, which is equal to 1 by 216. This is another example you can take. Clear, guys? Right. Now seeing all these 5 formulas, you have in page number 85, do this. Page number 85, do this. Do that one as your homework. Okay? In the next class, we discuss the examples in this chapter. Go through them. If you have any doubts, you can pass to me. Bye.